Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marathe and today's date is 7th Feb 2024 and today's topic is SDLC. So basically what is SDLC? So SDLC is the Software Development Life Cycle. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. So when we create SDLC is used for developing any software. So when we create any software, so that softwares are given by the SDLC steps. So in SDLC, we can also say that SDLC is in simple word we also say that SDLC is the starting to ending lifetime of the software. So SDLC, SDLC used for developing a software. So when we develop any program, so that program are measured by the SDLC model. So basically SDLC model are used for developing any software, any software. So there are three stages to developing software. So the first is a conception stage. In conception stage, we are in conception stage. So as a developer, so first we develop any software. So we can think about the problems. Think about the problems facing for the developing program. So for example, what problem are taking in the developed by the program. So in that stage, the developer is first search all the problems, and that problems they resolve solutions on that. When they create a solutions, so on that purpose the next stage is created. So the next stage is implementation. So in implementation stages, first in the conception stages, the developer are find all the problems and their solutions. And the second stage is implementation. In that implementation stages, the developer are implement their code, write their code and implement the software. They give them a design. In that stage we call as implementation stage. And the third is the maintenance stage. In that maintenance stage, suppose if you if you develop any program, if you develop any software, so you can buy in person, you can buy the software in person, and that person have any updates on that software. So that's the update on the software or any other kind of updates or changes on that software. That all things are included in the maintenance stage. So that are the three stages for the creating a software. And in SDLC there are there are some models. For implementing for the developing the software. So the first is a waterfall model. So the waterfall model is used for so first we can what is waterfall model? So in that waterfall model, first the developer are search. They are search that if they have created or if they are developing software. So that person, so that the given person is physically or financially is ready or not. On that basis, on that financial and physical basis, this software, the the developer implement their codes, implement their programs. On that basis, they create a software. Then they give their design and implement the software, and then the tester are check that software is it well or not, or is it it is useful or not. So after the tester, so basically waterfall model are very simple and very classical model in all the models, all the SDLC model. Then yeah, then the waterfall model are used for the mini projects, small projects, and that projects and the problem solving concepts. There are the waterfall model are used.